Now question number 5, and it is find the ratio in which the line segment joining A into bracket 1 minus 5 and B into bracket minus 4 5 is divided by the x axis. Also find the coordinate of the point of division. Okay, so it means that whichever point of division is on x axis, because here x axis divide the line segment. Okay, and we find also ratio. Okay, so whichever point on x axis that we decide, and also we find the coordinates of that point. Okay, so answer number 5 now you see. So here answer number 5. Okay, let the given points are, okay, a into bracket 1 minus 5 and b into bracket minus 4 5. Okay, now here x axis is divided line segment AB. Okay, it means point P is on x axis, because we find the coordinate of that point also. So if any point on x axis, then y coordinate is become 0. Okay, so the coordinate of point is into bracket x0. Okay, and the required ratio is m proportional n, that we find here. Okay, so now as per whichever we have, so here x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to minus 5, x2 is equal to minus 4, y2 is equal to 5, and y of p we have, that is 0. Okay, so we use this coordinate of p and find ratio first. So you can find ratio by anyone. Okay, y of p या x of p as per you have value. So here y is equal to p, sorry, y of p is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n, and y of p that is 0. Okay, so 0 is equal to m into bracket 5. Okay, there is y2 is 5 and plus n into bracket y1 minus 5 upon m plus n. Now this m plus n is multiply with 0, it become 0, and we open this one, so 5m then minus 5n, this 5m we bring this side, so minus 5m is equal to minus 5n. So m proportional n is equal to 5 upon 5, the m proportional n is equal to 1. So m upon n is equal to 1. So m proportional n is equal to 1 proportional 1. Okay, so this is our ratio. Okay, and now here we find the coordinates of the point, okay, of division. So here now we find x of p. Okay, so mx2 plus nx1. Now we have ratio, so we use this okay, x coordinate of x p. So mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and x is equal to m is equal to 1 and n is equal to also 1, because ratio is 1 proportional 1. So m and n both are 1. So here 1 into bracket minus 4 plus 1 into bracket 1 upon 1 plus 1. So this open the bracket minus 4 plus 1 upon 2. These 2 we multiply. Okay, so 2x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to 3 upon 2. So the required ratio is equal to 1 proportional 1, and the coordinates of p into bracket x 0 is equal to minus 3 upon 2 0. Okay, so this is the answer number 5. Now question number 6. If 1 2 then into bracket 4y into bracket x6 and into bracket 3 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. The find x and y. Okay, so here the vertices of parallelogram are given. Okay, and if we decide they are a b c d like that, then we find x and y value. Here x and here y. Okay, so answer number 6. Now we see answer number 6. Okay, so here answer number 6 Okay, so here the vertices of parallelogram ABCD. Okay, if we decide, so here A into bracket 1 2, then B into bracket 4y, C into bracket x 6, and D into bracket 3 5. Okay, now here it is parallelogram ABCD, so their diagonals also bisect each other. So here the diagonals of parallelogram ABCD bisect each other at P into bracket xy. Okay, whenever we have parallelogram, so there as I drawn here this figure, so here I take in order A B C D. Okay, after then whichever diagonals are bisect each other at the middle point PXY, and it is middle point, so we use here midpoint formula. Okay, and we find here x and y value. So the coordinates of this point, so the coordinate of point P into bracket xy. Okay, so x of P is equal to x1 of plus x2 upon 2 is equal to x plus 1 upon 2. That is how can come. So here x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Okay, for this diagonal. So here x plus 1 upon 2, right, like that we write. Now another diagonal, because both diagonal are bisect each other, it means same point. So another diagonal for also have x1 y1 and x2 y2. So it is also x1 plus x2 upon 2. So that's why here right is equal to them. This both value of x of P. So here x plus 1 upon 2 is become equal to 3 plus 4 upon 2. That is also x1 plus x2 upon 2. Okay, so then we find here x value. So x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 upon 2. Then it become this both side 2 cancel. Okay, so x plus 1 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 minus 1. Then we get here x is equal to 6. Okay, now as like we find y coordinate of P. So y of P is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2, and that is here given. Okay, x1 y1 x2 y2. So we write first 5 plus y upon 2. So here 5 plus y upon 2. After then is become also equal to another y1 plus y2 upon 2 value. So there here y1 and here y2. Okay, so 2 plus 6. So 5 plus y upon 2 is become also equal to 2 plus 6 upon 2. So here 2 also cancel. Okay, so here 5 plus y is equal to 8. Then y is equal to 8 minus 5. So y is equal to 3 we get here. So the required values of x and y are x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. Okay, so this is the answer number 6. So when a parallelogram, when there is given and you find x and y value, so you use this formula of midpoint and diagonals bisect each other. Okay.